Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the little whale locations for day 8 in Heartopia. So, during this Call of Whales event, NPC Naughty will give you a quest to collect photo of little whales that hidden around the Whale Volcanion camp. And then, so just commit this NPC Naughty, and then after that, you just need to start collecting the photos of little whales. And don't worry if you missed the previous day, you can just find all the guides in my Heartopia playlist. And then after that, for today, the locations is on this coral way over here, this area, more precisely at this area, at this pine. And then you can just find these wheels at this blue coral, this one, like this. And then next, just open your camera and then just take a photo like this. And just like that, you will successfully unlock this wheel for day 8. And then don't forget about the furniture bubble. The furniture bubble is located on here. Just follow my directions over here. Just pop it and you will get this furniture bubble. And for the locations is on here, this area. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.